Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will learn about syntax in ActionScript. Topics covered under this tutorial: case sensitivity, dot syntax, slash syntax, curly braces, semicolons, parentheses, comments, keywords and constants. Case sensitivity. In case-sensitive programming language, variable names that differ only in case are considered different from each other. Example: book and capital book. Look at these examples. Cat written in small letters and cat written in capital letters are different objects. In ActionScript, a dot is used to indicate the properties or methods related to an object or a movie clip. It is also used to identify the target part to a movie clip, variable, function, or an object. A dot syntax expression begins with the name of the object or a movie clip, followed by a dot, and ends with the element that you want to specify. Example: ball movie clip dot underscore x, shopping cart dot form dot submit equal to true, ball movie clip dot play. Slash syntax. Slash syntax was used in Flash 3 and 4 to indicate the target part of a movie clip or a variable. This syntax is still supported by Flash 7, but its use is not recommended, and slash syntax is not supported in ActionScript 2.0. However, if you are creating content intended specifically Flash Player 4, you must use the slash syntax. Curly braces. ActionScript event handlers, class definitions, and functions are grouped together into blocks with curly braces. You can put the opening braces on the same line as your declaration or on the next line. To make your code easier to read, it is a good idea to choose one format and use it repeatedly. Example: event handler on release and class. Comments. Using comments to add notes to script is highly recommended. Comments are useful for keeping track of what you intended and for passing information to other developers if you work in a collaborative environment or are providing samples. Even a simple script is easier to understand if you make notes as you create it. To indicate that a line or a portion of a line is a comment, precede the comment with two forward slash. To create a comment block, place slash star at beginning and put star slash at the end. Example: double slash I am a single line comment, slash star I am a comment of more than one line, star slash. Keywords. ActionScript reserves words for specific use within the language, so you can't use them as an identifier, such as variable, function, or label names. List of the keywords: break, case, class, continue, default, delete, etc. Constants. A constant is a property whose values never change. For example, the constant backspace, enter, quote, return, space, and tab are properties of the key object and refer to a keyboard keys. To test whether the user is pressing the enter key, you could use the following statement: if key.getCode equal to key.enter, then alert, are you ready to play? Control movie clip dot go to and stop frame 5. Thank you.